a lot of men, I'd probably say most men, even once in their life, take back a cheating ex. Yeah, we do. The difference between a male taking back a cheating ex and a female taking back their cheating ex is that the woman usually broadcasts that they were cheated on. They tell their best friends, they tell their family, they tell their spouse or their ex-family, they put it on social media, so they look stupid when they take back their ex. While with us men, we do it in privacy. No one knows that we were cheated on. We probably, in most cases, break up with the female for a few weeks or probably a few months, and then when we do get back, it's like nothing never happened. So yeah, men take back their cheating spouse.